Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 7 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is digital electronics. The topic chosen for today is sequence detectors. In the previous day 6 challenge we had learned about FSM. Using same FSM we can design sequence detectors. These are the sequence detectors which you have to design. First one is serial two's complement. Second one is a sequence which detects 10110 and overlapping. What do I mean by overlapping? Say for example, I have this sequence 10110 Now, what is the sequence which you have to detect? 10110. So, here if you see 10110 is detected. Now it says overlapping. Overlapping means even if certain bits are there in the previous sequence which is detected, and then you get the following bit, still it should detect. For example, here 10110 was detected, but if you see from here again 10110, here also it can be detected. So you should get 10110 here the entire sequence was detected, so you should get output 1 here, and here also 10110 is detected, you should also get an output 1 here. If it would have been non overlapping, then even if such sequence occurs, only in the first instance you will get output 1, you will not get output 1 here. So you have to design the sequence in overlapping. The next sequence is 1100 but this is non overlapping. So say for example you have this 1100 1100 you had to detect is 1100 So here if you see 1100 is detected. Now this is non-overlapping. If it would have been overlapping, again you would have detected here till here the same sequence 1100 and you would have got the output 1 year. But since it is non-overlapping, the first sequence is detected till here, and if you again want to detect the sequence, you want everything again, but here you have only 1100, you don't have another 1100, so the sequence will not be detected again, only the output one you will get here. So this is an example how overlapping and non-overlapping sequences are. Design overlapping sequence in question 2, and in question 3 design non-overlapping sequence. The third question is, if you get more than one once in the last 3 samples, only then you have to detect. It means 111. Here if you see in the last 3 samples you are getting more than one once, you are getting 3 ones, so you will detect it. Now even if it is this one, in the last sample again you are getting more than 1 ones, which is 2 ones, so again here also the output should be 1. You have to write a code to detect such sequence. The next is if you get consequent 4 zeros in overlapping. So say you have a sequence 11000000 0. So here what we say, consequent 4 zeros in overlapping. So here see how many zeros, 1 2 3 4. Yes, 4 zeros were detected. Here the output should be 1. Now it is overlapping, so again you can consider 4 zeros here, again your output should be 1. And again it is overlapping, again you can consider 4 zeros here, and again here the output should be 1. So since it's overlapping and this is the sequence, the output 1 will come 3 times. One time it will come here, the next time it will come 1 year, and the next time it will come 1 year. Just design these sequence detectors. This is very important question in digital electronics. You will be asked a lot of times. So please learn this sequence detectors design today, and tomorrow I'll see you for the day 8 challenge. Best luck. See you tomorrow.